Fixing jeans that are baggy in the crotch is a common alteration that dramatically improves their fit. This issue, often called a long rise or a crotch drop, creates an unflattering silhouette and can feel uncomfortable. It happens when there is too much fabric between the waistband and the point where the leg seams meet. The primary and most effective way to fix this is by altering the crotch seam itself. First, you need to determine how much fabric to remove. Put the jeans on inside out. This allows you to see the seams and work on them directly. Stand in front of a mirror and pinch the excess fabric along the crotch curve, from the front, down, and up toward the back seam. You want to create a new, higher seam line that follows the natural curve of your body. Be careful not to pinch too much, as you still need enough room to walk and sit comfortably. Once you have pinched the fabric to a comfortable and flattering fit, secure it. Use a series of strong safety pins or tailor's clips to hold this new line in place. After pinning, carefully take the jeans off and turn them right side out to try them on again. This step is crucial. Walk around and sit down to ensure the fit is correct and not too tight. If it feels restrictive, turn them inside out again and adjust the pins. Once you are satisfied with the pin fit, you can make the change permanent. With the jeans still inside out, use a piece of tailor's chalk or a fabric marker to draw a line right alongside the pins. This will be your new sewing guide. Remove the pins. Now, you will sew along this new line. If you are sewing by hand, a backstitch is the strongest and most reliable stitch for this job. Use a heavy-duty thread that matches your jeans, or a contrasting color for a visible mending look. If you are using a sewing machine, use a straight stitch with a sturdy needle designed for denim. Sew directly on the chalk line you drew, making sure to backstitch at the beginning and end to secure your work. After sewing the new seam, you can trim the excess fabric from the original seam. Leave about a ½ inch of seam allowance from your new stitch line. To prevent the raw edge from fraying in the wash, you can finish it with a zigzag stitch on your machine or an overcasting stitch by hand. For those who want a less invasive method, you can add small darts to the back of the jeans, just below the waistband, which can help pull the seat and crotch area upwards slightly. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you fix your jeans, please like this video and subscribe for more easy clothing alteration tips.